I have used this Logitec marble Trackman for about 1 year without cleaning, and now it doesn't run so smoothly. So what to do? The easiest way is to simply grab the ball and pull it out. With this model it gets, this goes very smooth, very easily. Alternatively, you can use a chopstick or something like that and poke through the hole in the back and get it out that way. Well, if you use something like a pen or some metal equipment, I would recommend rather to cover it with a soft cloth or so before you remove it, and then do it like this. Okay, so here you see the innards, and quite dirty obviously, so all you have to do is to remove the dirt. Again, this is the result of 1 year. Makes sense to do this more often, and cannot do any harm to use a soft cloth. Do a really good job here, and that's about it.